Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can make $1,000+ in several days. So this is the site you can see, gramfree.net. Site link in description, you can check this out. Okay, so in this link you can earn money by doing some simple task. Okay, by spin, refer or watch videos and some contracts. You can see dashboard, sport, free options are there. Now you have to go, you can check fully site and go to free. Okay, in this column you can roll and collect your free grams. Okay, and 1 gram is equal to $2.1. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 500 grams, is equal to $1,000. Okay, you can check this out in site and link in description. Okay, okay, you can see 1 is equal to 2.1 and minimum withdrawal is 500. Okay, you can see. Okay, site link in description, you can check. Okay, now you can go to videos for some other earning. You can I have watched all the videos and earned many points. Okay, you have come here and check this out. It's smart contracts. In this you can sign in and complete your surveys and get your rewards. Okay, I have done all this today. Yes. Okay, now this is refer. You can refer your friend or your family. Then whenever they came to level 2, you get your refunded your pending balance into your withdrawal amount. Okay, whenever they register you get 5 grams yani is equal to $7. Okay, so this is the site you can earn much earning you want. Okay.